Okay, we have gone from vertex to standard form simply by following order of operations and simplifying my equations. Now we're going to go from standard form to vertex form. This one's a little bit more involved. There's a couple of different methods we're going to work through this. Again, these are what we're starting with. We're going to move to here. We're going to start with an example. This one is kind of shown to us what we're going to do. You can use the calculator. This is my first one, my standard form. We're going to go to vertex form. This is the answer. It's here for us. We're just going to talk about how we get this given that we have a calculator. What we're going to do is we're going to plug that in the calculator. You don't have to plug this one in. I'm just going to show you how it's done. First thing, we plug all this in the calculator. That's what it looks like in Y1. What is the one thing? This is A, B, and C. What's the one thing that goes back and forth each of them? If I have on this one I have my A, B, H, and K. What's the one that stays the same? My A value. That's my A value. Look, it's the same. It's already written there for us. So when we're writing it, and you can see it down here as well, we go ahead and keep that in there. And then we're going to go to my B and my H and K. Remember, there's a 1 over B here. Thing is, whenever we're doing this, we're not going to mess with any of that. We're not going to mess with the B. We're just going to do A and H and K. We only do a B if we're specifically given a B. So H and K are what we need. H and K are my vertex. So I have to find my vertex. What I look for in my calculator are symmetric points. This is what the calculator would give you. Do you see the same y values? 1, 1. Those are symmetric points. 7y value, 7y value. Those are symmetric points. It's the one in the middle, this one right here, that is always my vertex. This works as long as these are integers. They're whole numbers. My H in this case would be -3, and my K would be -1. So when I plug that in, remember, in the parentheses, there's a negative, so it's opposite. That's why this -3 turns to a +3, and this K value, the one on the end, stays out there like that.